Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Best beginner motorcycle. Twin downtube spline. New to the US market for 2021, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 takes on the small displacement cruiser niche with an entry-level price tag $43.99. Designed in England and India, the manufactured in India single takes aim at the Honda Rebel 300 and Yamaha Veetstar 250, but with a less traditional cruiser look and feel. Visually appealing with its old-school standard styling, fun colors, and impressively crisp finish, the Meteor has an everyman appeal that is inviting. So, we went riding. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a perfect ambassador to welcome new riders to motorcycling. With accessible dimensions and a relaxed power delivery, nothing is intimidating about this motorcycle. Instead, it is a partner in arms, tolerant of newbie mistakes while having enough spunk to be enjoyable for experienced riders. The classic design appeals to the senses, even of the non-two-wheeled crowd. When motoring past Le Petit Four on the Sunset Strip, I caught glances from the idle rich munching on their $29 vegan spaghetti and meatballs outdoors. I didn't need to be on a Ducati Street Fighter V4 to stir their envy. The Meteor painted the picture, and I was the personification of a free spirit. The upright seating position of the 2021 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is immediately comfortable and familiar. With slightly pulled back bars and semi-forward foot pegs, climbing aboard the Meteor for the first time is about as approachable as it gets. The ergonomics are those of a standard, with the pegs moved forward by 6 inches or so. The 30.1-inch seat height allows me to be flat-footed at a stop with my 30.5-inch inseam. However, the Meteor seat is a good 3 inches higher than its Honda Rebel 300 and Yamaha Veetstar 250 competitors, so it is challenging for riders with shorter legs. Taller riders will appreciate the Meteor's roominess. The new SOHC 349 cubic centimeters air-cooled single has the satisfying torque you would expect from an under-square configuration, and that makes the Meteor an easy and friendly ride. The linear power comes on smoothly and predictably, with its 20 ft-lbs of peak torque coming at 4,000 RPM. With plenty of engine braking available, rolling on and off throttle makes for a relaxed ride as you flow down the local boulevards. The single-cylinder motor's pulses are an enjoyable feel when cruising at low RPM. The 5-speed transmission is nearly flawless, and the heel-toe shifter is a nice touch for the retro-style cruiser. I'm not generally a fan of heel-toe shifters, but I found myself shifting almost exclusively with the heel of my boot after a few miles. My initial shifts were instinctively by toe. However, after clicking into false neutrals several times, I switched to heel shifting. Not only were there 0 missed shifts, but it was also much more satisfying. It matches the Meteor's casual and relaxed vibe. Clutch engagement is forgiving and well-tuned, making slow-speed maneuvering at gas stations and parking lots no cause for stress. Of course, gas station visits will be rare for city dwellers, thanks to the Meteor's 4-gallon fuel tank. Don't make the Royal Enfield Meteor your commuter companion unless you have a lenient boss. While the Meteor is more than capable of easing through the tangle of urban traffic with its calm demeanor, the body positioning is not intended for those in a hurry. Still, if you find yourself inching between stopped cars to get to the front at a red light, no one will give you the stink eye. The Meteor is friendly and has a pleasing pulse, and a good twist of the throttle ensures you won't be holding anyone up. Although the Meteor is freeway-worthy, you won't want to spend much time there. You'll finally use top gear on the freeway and can wring about 75 miles per hour out of the motor, but the wind blast will take its toll on you quickly. If you plan to ride any distance at high speeds, you'll probably want to upgrade to the windscreen-equipped Supernova trim for another $200. Solid as a rock, the Meteor has a planted feel both on the freeway and in the canyons. It's quite a bit heavier than its competition. The Honda Rebel 300 ABS is more than 50 pounds lighter, but that gives the bike a reassuring stability. On the freeway, where it's short for a cruiser wheelbase might make it a bit nervous, the Meteor's 421 pounds feel secure, and it doesn't wander on the rain-grooved pavement. Unfortunately, as you rev higher, the mirrors reflect the single's vibration, returning a fuzzy image that the counterbalancer can't smooth out.